It's hot.
I know, it's unbelievably
Oh my
hot.
gosh.
And it's only gonna be worse. Yay!
This is not New York. We're a long way.
I know.
Great to
Hello,
see you.
hello.
Great to see
Wonderful to see you.
Oh, how are you?
I'm great. I'm
Yeah?
great. Yeah. You ready?
You know, you tell me.
You are ready. You are ready.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What do I have to think about differently with the heat?
So the biggest part about racing in the heat is you start cooling yourself off while you're on the bike so that you can try and keep your core temperature down as low as possible so that by the time you hit the run, you're a little bit ahead of the game. And really what you have to think about in the heat is I'm one with the heat, right? Everyone is going to be in the heat. The elements are the same for everyone. The people who are going to do better are the people who don't mentally crack in the heat.
We're here by the river, and so even though it's super hot today, you want me to get the wetsuit on and get in the river.
I'm gonna say no today. You've swam in the wetsuit enough.
Okay.
I don't want you to overheat.
Okay.
Everyone's swimming in skin suits or without it. Race day most likely will be wetsuit legal, but for today, we're just gonna get in and swim.
I'm surprisingly calm, maybe too calm.
I'm gonna agree with that.
Okay.
I mean, I think one of the things that you have to wrap your mind around is that you have to now step a little bit back from your, the project and focus more on the race and just you, because it is hard, this race, and it is hot and it is hilly, and you need to be off your feet as much as possible tomorrow, and we really just need to focus on getting you prepared. So I don't think the reality, maybe when you went down and checked in, it was a little bit more real, but it needs to get even more real.
Okay.
Right?
You always put things in perspective so clearly.
I'm pretty
Samantha.
clear.
You're pretty clear. And do you want me on the bike tomorrow too?
I want you literally to run through your gears, just make sure you're comfortable. I just want you to loosen up a bit because actually you're very stale after days off. So we want to get some movement going.
Yeah.
So a light bike and a light run.
Okay. And I'm not training today, obviously.
Well, are you gonna get in the
Oh
water?
yeah, I'm gonna go swim.
Way down south where the trees don't grow.
In 2001, I nearly died from a heroin overdose. That's why I'm dedicating my very first Ironman race to help those similarly addicted by raising money for Addaction, one of the UK's leading mental health, drug, and alcohol charities. Thank you.